today I have a morning skincare routine video for you to show what I use on my face in the morning. First of all, of course, I wash my hands super clean, super nice. Second rule, you brush your teeth because you don't wanna apply all the skincare and then after you brush your teeth. So you have to brush your teeth before. This is some secret for me. And step number 2, I do not wash my face. As you guys know in all my videos, I say that I never wash my face in the morning. I use toner. This is a hydrating toner from Paula's Choice Advanced Replenishing Toner with hyaluronic acid. It's almost done. So I'm applying a little bit and very gentle, going all over my skin with not much pressure, and whatever is left I'm going on the neck. Alright, my next step is super simple. I use my G Beauty Vitamin C cream. My skin type, guys, if you don't know, is combination. I have more oiliness on my nose over here and on my around like mouth, everywhere in this zone, and here is more likely is dry around the ears. So I use this cream. It's actually good for combination skin, is good for oily skin, is good for dry skin. And gentle applying. I'm not using any serum. I kind of want a little bit like brightening effect, and you know guys, when it's brightening, like kind of when your skin is brighter, it looks like cleaner, like fresher, and looks like, you know, like from magazine. And a little bit extra cream on my eye area, and whatever is left is going down my neck. So what I'm going to do for the eye area, I'm leaving a little bit extra cream over there, and I'm gonna take my Dolphin device. This is Dolphin face lifting device from my brand. I'm keeping cold mode over here, applying finger on that spot. Guys, if you don't know, you can watch my video demo on that tool, and I'm just slightly kind of like pushing in the cream. And vitamin C cream is like really strong and powerful antioxidant. It's also gonna help to brighten my dark circles. Just massaging for like a couple of minutes, trying to lift. I'm doing the same for this eye, trying to lift the brow. You can do for the whole face, but I just want to focus today on my under eye. So that's it. My next step, what I'm using after that, I'm taking SPF because it's a daytime, it's Saturday. I'm gonna use COTZ Face Tinted 100% free of chemical sunscreen. It's very nice because it has tint and it's kind of mattifying. So those people with combination skin or with oily skin is amazing. This is very good in summer. I don't need much like this, and this is gonna be too much now. I know it's gonna be too much. So I'm applying everywhere. That's gonna be too much. Okay, on the neck too. One tip I can tell you guys about sunscreen: you have to apply sunscreen really carefully and everywhere, even below the brows, over here until the lash line, and on the lid, very gentle, all the hairline, brows, here on the ears, even the ears. Make sure everywhere on your neck, lips too, pushing in, everything is going down, and whatever is left is going on my hands like this. Alright, for the lip balm, I'm going to be using Flower Honeysuckle LB5. This is like a lip balm with a little bit of color. I really like it. This is how much I have left. I use this every day. See? Natural. Love it. I'm using Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara. This is my favorite mascara of all time. All products that I'm using today, guys, gonna be listed down below in the description box. If you have any questions, leave me down below. I'll answer all the time. Mascara is done, and now I'm going to take Tarte. Oh my god, I love Tarte. This is Tarte Busy Gal Brows. I just bought this. I had the other one before, but I really like it. I can show you that I have this one. This is also from Tarte. I really love those. It's like a gel for the brows to keep them in place, but also has a little bit of tint. Not much. I am all about natural look. I don't want anything crazy. I'm not this crazy girl with the blonde hair and black brows, but I used to do that before. Okay, you see the difference? I mean, it's not a crazy difference. It's just more natural and more like defined. So I'm going the same on this brow. And here I have some earrings that I use every time for filming. Today, what I'm going to take, my favorite, as I always film with, is going to be those little cherries. It's a present from my friend. She gave me a long time ago. It's from Swarovski. I love it. Cute, isn't it? And last product, this is from, I got from Ross, like $6. Carol's Daughter Mirabelle Plump Dual Oil Treatment. I'm gonna apply one pump on my hair, between my hands. I didn't blow dry my hair last night. I washed my hair. I kind of leave it like frizzy the way it is. I don't want to damage too much with the blow drying or with straightening. It kind of looks messy, but I'm not going to any party today, nothing. I'm not using any harm, no products, no tools to damage my hair. It looks simple, but nothing special, guys. I just wanted to share with you because you asked me like crazy. And let me know down in the comments below, what is your favorite skincare product that you use in the morning? I'm really excited to hear your products list. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye.